Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC for sale. This vehicle comes in a white exterior, and we have a beige interior. We have heated seats, both driver and passenger, and power memory seats here on the driver's side. Driver's seat with lumbar support. Sunroof, steering wheel, and hopping inside, mileage currently at 27,309. We do have a push button ignition, and here we have our touchscreen display loading up. Below the display we have our climate controls, as well as some buttons here to access some of the different functions on the display. So here is our display, currently showing a radio and backup camera. Of course, you can use the touchscreen itself to navigate through the menus here. You also have controls here on your steering wheel. You also have a little command module right down here where you can also make any adjustments needed. Down here is also where you've got your different sport modes here. So you can switch between comfort, sport, eco. This will affect the handling and traction and some different functionality within your vehicle. Also have our shifter here. Vehicle also has customizable ambient LED lighting. You can adjust those through the menu system as well. And we'll show you the rear of the vehicle, a couple more things, and including the accent trim here throughout, rear seats. Another quick peek up at the front of the vehicle. Another look at the sunroof. Just stretched both the front and rear seats. Coming around to the back, we've got our GLC 300 Mercedes-Benz 4MATIC badging, power opening and closing trunk. Lots of storage space here. And push button to flip down those rear seats in case you need a little extra storage. Push button to close the trunk as well. Now, if you're interested in additional information about this GLC 300 or any other vehicles on our showroom floor and lot, just see our website, feldmanimports.com.